In this course, you will learn the basic components of any Go program, such as packages, variables, and functions. Every Go program is made up of packages. Program start running in package main. Go programming language supports single line comment and multi-line comment. This is the structure of single line comment and multi-line comment. And this is the basic structure of Go program. Let's code. Import a package fmt. Okay, fmt dot println accept parameters and print the value of parameters. Okay, now run this code. Go run dot enter. Okay, we can write multiple import statements. Import another package, name it math. Now use the math package math.py, and we also group the imports into a parenthesized factor import statement like this. Now run this program. Okay, it is good style to use factored import statement. Exported names in Go. In Go programming language, a name is exported if it begins with a capital letter. Let's see in the code. Here, pi is an exported name which is exported from math package. But this code pi is not exported name of math package. If you run the program, and you will notice the error message pi not declared by package math compiler. You must fix the error by renaming math.py. Now run and see the output. Go's basic type. Like other programming languages, Go's basic data types are Boolean, string, integer, unsigned integer, byte, Rooney, float, and complex. Now we will see the memory size of variables of Go's basic data types. Let's code. Import a package unsafe, and to get the memory size of a variable, declare a variable unsafe dot size of the variable. Okay, remove unused package. Now save this file and run this code, and you will see the memory size of integer data type is 8 bytes. By this way, you can get the memory size of other data types like integer 8. The memory size is 1 byte. Run and see. Okay, variables in Go programming language. In Go, the var statement declares a list of variables and the type is in the last. The variable declaration rules are the same as other programming languages. Let's code. Here, a var statement is used to declare a variable x and its data type is in the last. A var statement can be at package or function level. Let's see in the code. Variable declaration in function level and variable declaration in package level. Okay. Variables in Go with initializers. A var declaration can include initializers one per variable. If an initializer is present, the type can be omitted. The variable will take the type of the initializer. Let's see in the code. Initialize with the value of these three variables. Now get the type of these three variables. Okay. Print f, use percentage of t for type. Okay, save this file and run this code and see the result. Change the value, then save and run again and see the variable takes the type of the initializer. Goes short variable declaration. Inside a function, the clone equal short assignment statement can be used in place of a var declaration with implicit type. Let's code. Okay. Now print the value of this variable. Save this file and run this code and see the output. Okay. Outside a function, every statement begins with a keyword var statement, but we cannot use clone equal outside the function. Let's try. We cannot declare a variable with short assignment outside the function. Now run this code and see the output. You will get an error non-declaration statement outside function body. Okay. Zero values. Variables declared without an explicit initial values are given their zero value. Let's code. Print the value of these three variables x, y, and z. Okay, save this file and run this code. You will get 30 for x, y, and z. You can use printf and use the format specifier printf and then use the format specifier for sentence of v. Okay, save this file and run this code again, and you will see the value. Type conversion. In Go, the expression tv converts the value v into type t. Let's do some numeric conversion. Declare a variable with type integer. Declare another variable with type float and initialize with the value. Okay, now convert. Okay, now save this file and run this code and see the output. Type inference. In Go programming language, when declaring a variables without specifying an explicit type, either by using the clone equal syntax or var expression syntax, the variable's type is inferred from the value on the right hand side. Let's see in the code. We don't need to use var statement here. In this code, the type of the variable f is float. Now print the type of the variable f. Use the format specifier t and the variable name is f. Okay, save this file and run this code and see the type of the variable f is float. Constant. In Go programming language, constants are declared like variables but with the const keyword. Let's code. Constant variable phi equal 3.1416. Okay, save this file and display the value of constant variable phi. Okay, now run this code. We cannot change the value of constant variable after initializing. Let's change the code. Pi equal 4.6, and you will get an error cannot assign to phi because phi is constant. The constant can be character, string, boolean or numeric values. Remember that constant cannot be declared using the clone equal syntax. We cannot declare constant with clone equal syntax. Function in Go programming language. Like other programming language, Go supports functions and a function can take 0 or more arguments. Let's see in the code. Define a function, name it add. Use func keyword to declare a function. Okay, the function add takes two parameters of type integer. Notice that the type comes after the variable name. Now call the function from main function add and call with the value. Okay, and print the value of x plus y. Okay, now run this program and you will see the result of x plus y. Function continued. When two or more consecutive named function parameters share a type, we can omit the type from all but the last. So here we use two parameters of same type, so omit the type of x. Okay, now save this file and run this program. Okay, function return. In Go programming language, a function can return any type of value supported by Go programming language. Let's see the code. Return integer type data. Okay, now save this file and run this code. Okay, function returns multiple results. In Go programming language, a function can return any number of results. See the code. Change it to multi value. Okay, now return x and y separately and return two integer value. So use this code. Okay, now save this file and run this code and see the result. The function returns multi-value. Rename return value. Go's return values may be named. If so, they are treated as variable defined at the top of the variable it initializes with 0 values. Let's see the code. Change the function. Okay, define the variable name. Result of return type is integer, and here change the code with result equal x plus y. Now just return. Okay, now save this file and run this code, and you will see the value is 50. Here, this name should be used to document the meaning of the return values. A return statement without arguments returns the named return values. This is known as naked return. See in the code. Save this file and run this code. You will see the result. You should remember that naked return statements should be used only in short function like this example code. The rename return value can harm readability in longer function.